What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Types of sentences. Telling sentence, called declarative. It states something. Examples: the dog barked at the cat. She is reading a book. The sun rises in the east. Asking sentence, called interrogative. It asks a question. Examples: did the dog bark at the cat? What is your name? Where are you going? Feeling sentence, called exclamatory. It shows strong emotion. Wow, that's amazing. Oh no, I forgot my bag. Commanding sentence, called imperative. It gives a command. Examples: please be quiet. Close the door. Bring me the notebook.